Hey guys, Zach with Mission Real Estate Group here. I'm here with Elena, our marketing coordinator and designer, and we are talking over some staging advice to get you guys maximized on how much you're making when you list your home with us.
When you work with us, you get a free staging consultation. I'll come to your house and we'll utilize items already within your home and we'll stage your house to sell.
So here are the top 5 staging tips we have before you list your home with us.
First impressions are everything. We recommend doing a seasonal plant or wreath, a doormat, anything that makes the potential buyer feel welcome coming into your home.
Staging tip number 2, you want to maximize the space in your kitchen. So declutter everything off the countertops, just get it out of there. It makes it look clean, it makes it look big and ready for the new home buyers to fall in love with your kitchen.
Staging tip number 3, bathrooms. This is another spot you want to maximize your space. Clear the countertops, utilize underneath storage, add some fresh white towels, make it look crisp and clean.
Staging tip number 4, you want to open the blinds in all of your rooms, just let the natural light in. It shows so much better and feels a lot better for a buyer looking for a new home.
Staging tip number 5, my favorite topic ever, design. Go ahead and throw in some throw pillows, some throw blankets, some greenery, style your shelves, anything that creates a cozy and inviting space. Go ahead and depersonalize a little bit, but not too much.
And those were the top 5 staging tips we have for you today. If you guys have any questions about the listing process or anything else about staging, go ahead and shoot me a DM.
Comment below your favorite staging tip that we didn't mention. And as always, like, comment, and share this video.